Hi, my name is Clif Kussmaul, and I want to talk to you about Palm Institute and about your future. Do you want to lead a team in industry that solves problems and makes the world better? Do you want to start your own company to be in control and reap the benefits of your hard work? Do you want to work in a volunteer organization to make society a better place? Do you want to serve in government to make your town, your state, or your country a better place for everyone to live? If you want to be a leader, if you want to change the world, you need technical skills, you need business skills, but you also need professional skills. You need to be a leader, you need to be able to communicate, you need to be organized, you need to be able to think critically to solve difficult problems. You need all of these skills, and to learn these skills you need to practice them. Palm Institute is the place where you practice these skills in every class. You're constantly thinking, working with colleagues, building skills, practicing the skills that will make you a leader in Ghana and beyond. So, please check out our website, apply to Palm, and join our community. Thank you.